The market is getting kind of wild right now. Shiba Inu is making some very key moves, and something just flashed on the charts when it comes to Shiba Inu that we have not seen since late August. I'm Luckside. Welcome to the channel. Going to dive deep into this in this video. If you guys haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. That is free to do, and it will keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. You know, more and more often now, we're seeing Shiba Inu print some very good days. There's extreme volatility, and what we're seeing is every time we go on a sell-off following a nice pump, we're rebounding very quickly. If you guys even look back here, you guys can see even on the drops, we ate up almost all the drop, ate up almost all the drop. Obviously back here, we had a little bit more of an overextension early part of September. I can't remember, jobs report, I believe. Yeah, jobs report, but ate that up after a few days, right? So Shib momentum is starting to carry to the upside, which is very important. And yesterday was a very key day. We actually printed a 3.25% candle. We broke above our 20-day moving average, which again is our local point of resistance. That's huge. Got all the way up above our long-term support trend, right? And we actually touched the bottom of our gift zone. Now we did get rejected there. Not a surprise at all. Drop back down. We're at a 20-day moving average right now. And based on these trends that we're seeing in terms of Shiba Inu, and it wouldn't surprise me if the market stays bullish, if Shib has a nice rebound and breaches 4014 again. So what you're seeing right now is and hopefully that didn't sound like a bunch of word garbage, right? Basically what you need to know is that Shib is loading up. All right. That's the best way to describe this. Shib is in fact loading up and trying to get ready to make this move into our gift zone and test this 50-day moving average. Not sure whether it'll happen, this weekend, early part of next week as we get into the FOMC meeting, but there are very obviously good times ahead. Remember, this vertical line here shows when our FOMC meeting is taking place. So we're not very far out from that. And BTC is giving us exactly what we need to see. It's breaking through trends right now. It actually broke 60K yesterday. We're sitting just below, and I know I've referenced this in a couple videos, but it's important. We're sitting right below this 20-week moving average, our bull market support band. If we can break above there, I mean, this is where Shib's kind of reversal really begins. Shib has the opportunity to breach up here, and there's something that flashed on the charts that we have not seen since late August. So using my indicator, you guys can actually see that on the 1-hour chart in terms of Shib, we are actually in this time now of bullish momentum. All right. Now, if you guys are interested in checking out my indicator, link is in the description below. I believe there's a 7-day free trial on it. It only costs about $1 a day. And guys, it's definitely worth it. You guys can see when there are buy opportunities, when there are sell opportunities, when we have bearish and bullish momentum. So feel free to check that out below, guys. But what I will say is this is actually the first time in terms of this 1-hour chart for Shiba Inu that we have had bullish momentum since late August. And look at what that bullish momentum led to last time. It led to a surge that tested actually our trend. So this is very important for Shiba Inu. And obviously, there were obviously some sell opportunities there. This is actually a new version of this. So you guys should definitely check it out if you haven't. But bullish momentum is very important for Shiba Inu. We need that momentum to carry into sentiment shift, right? And that's kind of what we're waiting for right now in terms of the overall market is a sentiment shift. And yesterday, like I talked about in my ADA video, this was kind of a warning for the market. We had some short liquidations. It moved price up very quickly. And remember, this is where Shib tends to perform its best. So now we're trying to basically carry this into much bigger and broader momentum as we get into the next few weeks here, as we get close to this time where historically the market takes off. Okay. So if Shib can now, because it's only about a day or so away from this downtrend from our local high here on July 17th down to obviously August 24th and down to now, if Shib does not get rejected here, this is your start of a major reversal. Okay. That's exactly what you need to know. Now, this isn't a guarantee. This isn't financial advice or anything like that. But although sometimes may have looked bleak in terms of Shib, time, momentum, whale direction, things like that are all starting to look very, very good. And it's all starting to finally come together. So I appreciate you guys as always. If you haven't already, again, make sure you guys check out that Margex link in the description below. Remember, there's up to $10,000 in deposit and trading bonuses. There's no KYC, and the CASP airdrop only has about 7 days or so left on it. So definitely make sure to check that out if you haven't. Appreciate you guys. Have a great day. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.